So hey folks, it is getting dark pretty quickly. I planned the same way, and by the time actually I brought the telescope outside and the moon came out, probably I might even see Jupiter and Saturn in like probably a minute. So yeah, everyone is having Mars fever because Mars is coming to the opposition in 15 days. So we are pretty close to Mars right now. What that means is, and also we can take pretty good picture of Mars, and I don't think we have this good opportunity in the last probably 10-15 years. Mars is now coming up to the top of the sky. It is much brighter and much bigger. Sometimes when you actually look at Mars, it competes with how bright the Jupiter is. So it's kind of a beautiful opportunity to take the picture of the red planet. We are all so fascinated with that red planet. It looks very close to the Earth. It's a rocky planet. It's not like one of those gas giants like Jupiter or Saturn. There is no oxygen or anything for us to live there, comparable atmosphere, but it seems like it is a planet where things probably might have happened or might happen in future. We don't know. So my plan here is use this longer focal length telescope. This is Celestron 14. I hope you can see it quite well. So I have a moonlight focuser here. I don't know if I can make use of the moonlight focuser tonight or not, I'll see. But this is basically going to make minor corrections to the focus if I have to. I think whenever you are imaging planets, you probably need a focuser that doesn't touch the primary focuser, so that you probably will get a better resolution, and also the image won't shake that much when you are trying to focus it. And a couple of spacers in the back here, and I have a 2x teleview power mate, which is going to double the focal length of this telescope to close to 7,800 something. And I have a ZWO ADC, which is ADC stands for atmospheric dispersion corrector. So all it does is the red, green, blue channels, it aligns them. And then a spacer in the back, the star Arizona filter slider, and a IR UV filter inside. And behind that I have a color camera, which is a ZWO ASI 290 MC. On top of it, I do have a guide scope. So a lot of people ask me, like, where do you put a guide scope when you are imaging planets? I actually started loving having a guide scope there. Not only you can guide on the moons of the planet to keep the moon in the center, particularly if you are using sharp cap. If you are using like the fire capture, you don't need to use the guide scope. The fire capture itself, the planet in the field of view, it can actually guide for you. But I'm so used to using the guide scope not just for that reason, but also I wanted to locate the planet from inside. It is a lot easier. I'll see what I can do using this one. I'll try to take some good pictures, and I'll share with you all those pictures.